said that.
Yep, that's me. You're probably wondering how I ended up in this situation.
He's about to fall in, dude. What?
You're gonna have to open this out.
Okay. Okay. Alright, what's up everybody? Welcome back to my channel. We are at Tanner's Lake in Oakdale and we're gonna try to catch some fish. So, yeah. Should we go other side? Should we go that way or go other side?
Either one's fine. Oh, be quiet, doggy.
That one?
Yeah.
Let's go! Do it, it's hooked up right now.
Can you get the net, please?
Okay, hold on. Oh shit, right here.
Oh, dude, it's a good one.
Yeah, hold on, hold on.
Oh.
5 pounder! 5 pounder! 5 pounder! 5 pounder!
That's not 5. That's at least a 3.
No, it's probably 5, dude.
No way.
Dude. At least a
Oh!
dude, it's at least a 5. I'll bet. I'll
Look
wait
at
right now.
that.
We'll wait right now.
That's a good bass, dude. On the at it 4.7, 4 pound 7.
Alright, time for me to try it. What are you using?
Fuzzy. Dice. I was just, this is the Z-Man one. Oh, look at that thing. Oh, water's okay. Bye bye. Bye.
Yeah, I probably have to downside. The warm is probably.
Oh, hey, get him.
Yeah, yours is recording. Wow.
4.7, 4 pound 7.
All right, time for me to try it. What are you using?
Fuzzy.
Fuzzy? What? Grape whiskey? Oh, Z-Man? Nice. Yeah, I probably have to downsize because a worm is probably too big right now. He's about to fall in, dude.
Surprised I even caught a fish. Let alone recorded the fish catch.
Hey, keep an eye on him.
Oh, hey!
What did I tell you? Sit down, right now. Yep, see? That's what happens when you play in water. Oh shit, told you keep an eye. Are we? Okay. Sit down right now, here.
Sit down.
Sit down on your chair right now. You learned your lesson? Sit down. Alright guys, all done. Finished fishing. Got back to the house. Got a little one. Say hi, Raiden. Hi. So yeah, all done fishing and it's not much left to do. We will see you guys soon in the next video. And I hope you enjoy. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and peace out.